The 3-inch anti-aircraft gun must go into position and be ready to fire within the shortest possible time. To provide concealment that can be erected quickly when natural cover is inadequate, a camouflage set has been developed. Special attachments are required. These are bolted to the outriggers and do not interfere with the operation of the gun in firing position or in march order. The complete set comprises 28 pieces, grouped into 4 individual sets, and a main set. Each individual set includes an outer pipe support, a knee brace, an inner pipe support, a chain puller, a radial cable, and a triangular inner net. The main set consists of a pre-garnished main net, an outer cable, and an inner cable. 4 men construct the net. Each man places an outer pipe support in position, inserts the holding pin, and lays the pipe along the outrigger. The ring end of the knee brace with the ring down is placed against the inner hinge of the outrigger. The free end of the outer pipe is raised and pinned to the forked end of the knee brace. The outer cable is hooked to a pipe support, unwound in both directions, and fastened to the other 3 outer pipe supports. A radial cable is hooked to each pipe support. The men place the main net near the end of an outrigger and unroll it to their left as they face the gun. The corners of the net are fastened to the rings on the outside pipe supports. And the net is unrolled and carried over the gun. The inner pipe supports are inserted into their sockets. The inner cable is hooked to them. The main net is fastened to this cable by means of snap hooks. The radial cables are hooked to the tops of the inner pipe supports. The knee brace is then pushed up and its end is pinned to the slotted plates. The chain puller is placed in position. The main net is snapped to the outer cable. Each man gets a triangular net and fastens one edge to the inner cable. Making certain that the garlands hang down. While one man holds the trigger pin, the other men slip the corner rings over this pin. With each man using a chain puller, the entire net is tightened. If necessary, turnbuckles may be used to adjust the individual cables. Because of the size of the net, the bogies must be concealed separately. The embrasure can be cleared for firing in less than 5 seconds. Here on the range are 2 guns firing at different elevations. The shock of firing is absorbed by coil springs in the cable connection. This camouflage set, which can be quickly erected, is a valuable supplement to natural cover and proper choice of position.